What's up, guys, and welcome back to Distraction Garage. Today we're going to be flying out to Florida because we're going to the first ever Ratchet Fridays in Florida. We're going to be at Bradenton Motorsports Park near Tampa. So we're flying out of here at about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's around 4 o'clock right now. So we're on our way to the airport. And like I said in our last video, you know, we want to be a part of a little bit of everything. So if we can document and show a little bit of every event that we participate in, I'd like to have you guys be a part of that. So let's get to it. So time to roll out, and now it's time to go to the terminal. So yeah. I just made it to the airport and waiting for pickup real quick, and then we're gonna go to the racetrack. So this should be fun.
Já viu rico namorar pobre?
So we're here at Bradenton Motorsports Park. Just do a quick walk around the venue. Really nice venue. I mean, it's gonna be our stage setup. What's up, East Sleep Race homies?
I'm telling you, I could do this all year long. Do it this way. I know it's only
Dude, I love this weather.
in the summer, it's probably mad humid then.
Yeah. This is a really nice venue. It's very, very clean. The drag racing, or the track, they got really good track prep so far from what I see. It's not much that I've seen so far, but everything they have is real nice and dope. So just walking around. Walking around.
Live.
He's still tasting that Cuban,
I still got
bro.
this Cuban sandwich. Just got pieces. I just can't give it up. Can't give it up.
Storing chunks like a gerbil.
Wait, do that again. You gotta do that shit again, bro.
This is natural stuff.
You watch like how hamsters eat.
And it's crazy because like
The mouths get all
it's
full.
like perfect. I got the bread, cheese,
layers.
everything's still together.
Yeah, I've never seen somebody sleep and chew at the same time.
Dreaming about that Cuban sandwich.
happening over here? Yo, my man is wild. My man is wild. My man is wild. Uh-oh, my man, what?
Estoy muy borracho y no puedo más. Y no puedo más.
Calienteaste en la nevera, en la cima sin escalera, la sensación de la papela salió a romper.
in the store if you want it. I gave him the drip, they set it up, I got him on it. I bought a new bag, I like the white, so what you told me. Take